something just happened in Coconut Grove that most people are completely overlooking, but it's actually one of the clearest signs of where the Miami real estate is headed next. And the interesting part, it doesn't start with home prices. It starts with office leasing. Hi, my name is Grace Blanco, and I'm a real estate agent in the Miami area, specializing in Coral Gables, Coconut Grove, and all of central Dade County. Now let's get into it. First, let's start with the story. A tech company called Eru just leased nearly 92,000 square feet of office space in Coconut Grove. They actually expanded into 2 locations within Mayfair in the Grove, making it one of the largest office leases in the Miami area this year. But in Miami, deals like this don't stay in the office market, they ripple outward. And here's the pattern. And what makes this even more interesting is the timeline. Just about a year ago, the same company opened their East Coast headquarters in the Coral Gables area, leasing about 30,000 square feet. That was a much smaller footprint, and now they've tripled their size. Companies test Miami, then they expand, and then they commit. So there's a ripple effect. Because when a company scales like this, it's not just about office space. It means more employees, more executives relocating, and more people looking for housing nearby. And we've seen this before with companies like Palantir Technologies. Executives first move, and then teams follow. And then the demand for housing increases. And suddenly, inventory starts tightening in areas like the Grove and the Gables. Now, why these areas, you ask? Well, there's a reason that it's happening specifically in Coconut Grove and Coral Gables. These neighbors offer something really unique in Miami. You get walkability, you get character, and you get to be close to Brickell without the actual chaos. For executives coming from cities like New York or San Francisco, this feels elevated but still livable. And that combination is very hard to find. Now, why is this time different? Miami has seen waves of immigration before, especially during the pandemic. But this feels different. This isn't just remote workers moving here. These are companies planting roots. And when companies plant roots, they bring long-term demand with them. So what does this mean for you? Let's get into that. What does this actually mean for you if you're a buyer or an investor? 3 things. Number 1, follow the jobs, not just the headlines. Office expansion is usually a leading indicator of where housing demand is going. Number 2, areas like Coconut Grove and Coral Gables are only getting stronger. And number 3, timing matters. By the time prices fully reflect this shift, the opportunity is usually already gone. So while a 92,000 square foot office lease might seem like just another headline, in Miami, it's actually something more. It's a signal, it's a sign that companies aren't just experimenting here anymore. They're committing. And when companies commit, people follow. And when people follow, real estate moves. If you're curious how this is going to impact specific neighborhoods like Coconut Grove and Coral Gables, I'm always happy to share what I'm seeing on the ground. Just message me and follow me for more insider scoop of what's happening in the area. And visit my website, www.graceblanco.com, if you want additional information. Thank you.